Davido lists 10 things that must change in the country immediately. Superstar musician Davido has released a list containing 10 things the government must change in the country. Davido, the federal government has been given a list of 10 important things it must change in the country in order to placate the youths. Nigerian superstar Davido took to his social media handle to share a list of major problems in the country that needs attention. Davido indeed has been active in advocating for the welfare of his fellow Nigerians in all areas. Drawing his attention to the government, he emphasized that everything in the country needs to be reformed as he went on to list 10 things that require immediate solution. His list include hike in petrol. Thank you for listening to this news. What else do you expect the video to say, if not a hike in petrol? What else? You see, if there is anything that has been jeopardizing or causing a fall in the Nigerian economy, or if there is anything that has been affecting the Nigerian economy so badly, it's no other thing but the hike in petrol pump price. See, this is to let you know that even the celebrities are so much affected. Are they not Nigerians? Even if they have all the money to get all the fuel that they need, they are still affected. Monkey no go dey walk, baboon no go dey chop. For what reason now? This is hard time the federal government start paying attention to the needful and start doing the needful. Our federal government are not meeting up as expected. Our federal government are not doing as expected. This problem we are facing in Nigeria is becoming too much. That is why the protest yesterday was not only on EndSARS, but it comprises of every of our problems in Nigeria. Nigeria has a problem. We have a problem. Look at yesterday. The boy that approached me yesterday was making me to understand that the people you see out here are not just out here because of the EndSARS protest. They are not out here because of the EndSARS protest alone. They are here because of the EndSARS protest, unemployment issue, hike in petrol price, and hunger. The guy made it open to me. He told me, he said, look, that he needs a job. He needs a job. He is ready to work. But where is the job? Where is the job? Instead of us to see how to maintain the one that we have, we are already making a mess of the little one that we have. Not the people, I mean the federal government. The federal government and the state government. You see that? You see that? So what are we saying? What are we to say about this? Eh? See the problem we keep facing there and here and there and there, over and over. In fact, I don't know. I don't know where we are heading to in this country. This country is turning to something else entirely. It's turning to something else. What do they expect the masses to do now? What do they expect the masses to do? What do they expect the masses to do, and what do they expect the masses to say? You tell me. Our governments have not been measuring up. Our governments have not been meeting up. They have not been meeting up with the needful. And it's very important. Very, very important. This is the video. I thought they said that musicians are not responsible. Look at what these musicians are seen doing since the beginning of this protest. They have been the one leading and making the impact. Even those ones that have been claiming to be the responsible ones, working in government firm, government offices, private offices, working on suits and all of that. Where are they? Where are they? They are nowhere to be found. You see? This is what we are saying. This is what we are lamenting on. But they'll say that our mouths are smelling. They'll say that our mouth is smelling, that we don't know what we are saying. Osugono, it has happened. You see that? It has happened, and now it's happening. So what are you to say? What are you to say, my viewers? See, I tell people that our Nigerian governments are the ones killing us. They're the one killing us. They're the one dragging us back. They're the one making us to feel inferior. They're the one reducing us. We are not supposed to be we're not supposed to be in the level we are today. But the federal government are the one making us to look so inferior, to look so small before our neighboring country counterparts, before our brothers in the neighboring country. Why? Why? I don't know. I don't know. My viewers, for how long are we going to be facing all of these things? For how long? For how long? Look at what happened yesterday. What happened yesterday should be an eye-opener to the federal government. Should be a message to the federal government that now it's time for them to make the right decision. It's time. So, my viewers, what do you have to say? What's your point? What's your opinion? What's your own idea? See, we are tired of I don't care, or this na your own, na you sabi matter. This is now everybody's own business. Do you understand? This is everybody's own business. Okay, so let us start doing the needful. Let us start doing what we feel that is right for the masses. Let us start making the masses believe that all is well. Okay, so my viewers, I don't really know. What is your take? Please deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.